In the last video, we learned about what are potent prompts and how potent prompts increase the efficiency of the responses generated by ChatGPT or any other AI tool. And so we learned about the potent prompts, how to write potent prompts by telling ChatGPT itself to write the prompts. And we also, like, I also shared the hacks. Like this was a hack in itself, like how to write potent prompts, how to tell ChatGPT to write prompts. So we are going to continue the hacks. I will continue sharing the hacks with you. So hi everyone, this is Bazil Hulmani, and I welcome you to my channel AI with Bazil. So let us continue with the hacks. So so in this video, I will continue sharing the hacks with you. So the first hack in this video, which I will share with you, is how to tell ChatGPT to do a role play and then tell it to do the task. So I will be using the same framework, the ICF framework, which I told you. Uh, ICF framework, uh, ICF framework. So we will be, as I told you, we will be using this framework again and again in each and every video. So I is for the intent, like the task which you want to get done using ChatGPT, and C is the correct choice of words. F is framing the sentence correctly. So we will be using this framework, and let me show you an example of a prompt. Like let us take an example here. So for example, if you want ChatGPT to write a SEO optimized prompt, so with one example, I'm going to cover all the hacks in one example itself. And so let me write the prompt for you. And now I will write the prompt. So please be a SEO copywriting copywriting specialist 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 for me. So now what I'm doing is I'm telling it to play a role. So please be a SEO copywriting specialist for me. So I have told it to play a role. And then now I will tell it I'm continuing the prompt. So write 1,000 words uh, blog on. So we will take an example here, like let us take an example. So I'm taking an example, AI in healthcare. Healthcare. So the prompt is still incomplete. I'm just writing the prompt. So optimize it for semantic SEO. Now the reason I have used the word semantic SEO over here is because semantic SEO is something which is a new type of SEO and which is trending nowadays, which is in the trend when it comes to SEO, search engine optimization. So semantic SEO, and so let me just give me one moment so that you can uh, I hope the board is visible now. So because it is going to be a long prompt, that is why I had to change the angle. So let me complete the prompt for you, and include a CTA to stay tuned uh, for more blogs. Now I'm going to share an interesting hack over here. So just give me one moment. So let me share the hack with you so that the response generated by ChatGPT, it is not generic, it is an effective response. So let me share the hack with you. So please don't use the words frequently used by AI. So now what will happen over here is it will avoid all the words which are frequently used by AI. So it will not generate a generic response for you. So that is the agenda over here. So I will add one more sentence. Human words. Use human words. Just a moment. Uh, use human words, preferably of a SEO copywriter. So now our prompt is complete over here, and so let me read the prompt for you. So please be a SEO copywriting specialist for me. Write 1,000 words blog on AI in healthcare and optimize it for semantic SEO. Include a CTA to stay tuned for more blogs. Please don't use the words frequently used by AI and use human words, preferably of a SEO copywriter. So let me tell you the hacks which I used over here. So the first hack is I told it to be a SEO copywriting specialist for me. This is the first hack. And the second hack is I told it to optimize the blog for semantic SEO. So this is the second hack. And then like the third hack which I used over here is please don't use the words frequently used by AI. Use human words, preferably of a SEO copywriter. And now what I did is I used these three hacks, and along with this I also used the ICF framework effectively, the one which I discussed earlier. So my intent is correct that I have to tell ChatGPT to write a SEO optimized blog. That is my intent. And then like my choice of words is correct. So I have used the words correctly, like wherever required, wherever possible, I have used the keywords correctly. And then I have framed the sentence correctly in a sequence. So along with the three hacks, I use the ICF framework correctly. So that is how you have to. So I gave you one example, and I can give you some more examples. So just give me one moment. Just a moment. So instead of SEO copywriting specialist, you can use different roles like something like social media manager, or something like a digital marketer, something like a copywriter or a content writer. And then this is the first part. And then in the second part, you have to tell it to do the task. Like here, I told it to write 1,000 words blog on AI in healthcare. So similarly, you have to tell it to do that particular task. And then like so you can use this, like optimize it for semantic SEO. So when it optimizes that particular like the social media copy or whatever it is, so when you give it this prompt, it will be optimized automatically for SEO, semantic SEO. And then I have told include a CTA. Stay tuned. So here you can write something like write you can write include 5 niche specific hashtags, like that you can do. And please don't use the words frequently used by AI. So this you have to use it, like because we don't want the responses to be generic. We want the responses to be like sound like human. So this is the hack. So 3 hacks I shared with you. So let me show you actual example, like so, so second example I will show, and then we will wind up this video. So specialist we will use actually. So we can use something like uh, please be a social media specialist for me, and write a 100 words social media caption, social media caption on AI in healthcare, and optimize it for semantic SEO. And include a CTA. So we can tell it like include a CTA, and then what we can do is we can like also tell it to include 5 niche specific hashtags. So like let us assume that we are writing this caption for Instagram. So what I will do is include nine niche specific hashtags. So since let us assume we are doing it for Instagram. So and that's the same. Please don't use the words frequently used by AI. Use human words, preferably of a. We will change this. Preferably of a uh, social media specialist. Social media specialist. Let me read this prompt for you. So please be a social media specialist for me, and write 100 words social media caption on AI in healthcare. So we can take different examples. So just to explain you, I took this example. Optimize it for semantic SEO, and include a CTA to stay tuned for more. Uh, for more we can for more posts, something like this, for more content. Let us keep it that way. So because as I told you, the choice of word is also important. So for more content, and include 9 niche specific hashtags. Please don't use the words frequently used by AI, and use human words, preferably of a social media specialist. So what I did over here is I used the ICF framework effectively again, and then I used the 3 hacks which I discussed just now. So please be a social media specialist. This is the first hack. Second hack is optimize it for semantic SEO. And then the third hack is please don't use the words frequently used by AI. Use human words. preferably of a social media specialist. So what I will be doing is I will be sharing more interesting hacks with you. So as I did in the last video, as I did today. So if you like this video, please do drop a like on this video, and comment on this video, and let me know in the comments your recommendations and your suggestions, and please share this video more and more in your social media, on in your network, so that people get to know about these hacks and this ICF framework which I discussed today. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and you subscribing, your support is important for me, since I am sharing the knowledge with you, sharing all the hacks with you, so it's really important for you to support me. And until then, this is Bazil signing off.